Hey everyone, want to save on groceries, electronics, or household essentials from Walmart? Here's how you can find promo codes to unlock great discounts. Start by opening your Google Chrome browser, type Walmart promo codes in the search bar and press enter. You will find multiple websites listing promo codes for Walmart. This could include deals on free shipping, discounts on select products, or cashback offers. Click on one of these websites to browse the latest promo codes like 10% off on first orders or save $15 on orders over $75. Select the promo code that matches your needs and copy it to your clipboard. Go to Walmart's website and add your desired items to the cart and paste the promo code during checkout to apply the discount. And just like that, you have saved money on your Walmart purchase using a promo code.